Israel's war on Gaza has taken a catastrophic toll on civilian lives and an unprecedented number of UN staff working on the ground in Gaza.
Over the last month, 101 of our colleagues have lost their lives in Gaza. This is the highest number of aid workers killed in the history of our organization in such a short time.
On Monday, UN offices around the world flew flags at half-mast as staff paid their respects to the record number of UN workers who've been killed by Israeli bombardments since October 7th.
They lost their lives along the lives of thousands of Palestinian martyrs in the Gaza Strip. We are so grateful for their service. We will remember them forever.
The UN Relief Works Agency has more than 12,000 people working for them in Gaza, but they too have increasingly become targets of the Israeli onslaught. UN officials have been saying there is no safe place in Gaza, and that includes the homes of UN staff members.
UNRWA guest house in Rafah, south of the Gaza Strip, also sustained significant damage from Israeli forces, naval strikes. UN international staff present in Rafah had left the building just 90 minutes before the strikes. We have, of course, engaged with the Israeli to understand the circumstances, but 3 different shots were hit in the house.
So far, the Security Council has failed to pass 2 resolutions on Gaza that would have called for a humanitarian pause or a ceasefire. On Monday, diplomats were discussing another Security Council resolution to establish humanitarian pauses in the fighting to get aid into Gaza. UN officials say depleted fuel and medical supplies are leaving Gazans' lives hanging by a thread, and they're hoping the Security Council is hearing their pleas for help. Frank Uciardo, TRT World, the United Nations.